What's going on, guys? Today is the day to get the desk completely installed finally into the room. I'm starting off using a laser level to get the entire thing completely level because the floor is absolutely atrocious. I'm going to be using a bunch of shims that I went ahead and cut up. I'm going to stick them underneath the cabinets to get them completely level, and later on I will cut strips to fit perfectly underneath and paint them gray as well so that it all blends in nicely. I think that is about as close as I'm gonna get it. You can see it's almost touching the front there. It's just slightly higher there, but I had to shim it quite a bit on this one, but oh boy, on this one, it's almost off by 2 inches all the way to this side, and it's still not quite. That one's pretty close. You can see it shining on the top. But yeah, about as close as it's gonna get. Crazy. Alright, the top is just resting on top of it right now. Everything's pretty lined up. It looks pretty good, aside from 2 inches worth of shim because the floor is completely fucked. The walls aren't much better, as you can see there, but overall it doesn't look too bad. Pretty happy with it. And you can see the top did start to warp a little bit, so it's kind of high in the middle there. I'm hoping some brackets will help pull it down a little bit and at least keep it from getting any worse, but pretty good size. Looks pretty good so far. I gotta get all the drawers in, but I like it. Looks good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more. I have many more projects coming soon. I hope you have a fantastic day.